one, and now we are in our factory and introduce the whole production line. You can see here the whole production line. At the beginning, there will be a decoiler to decoil the finished product, and then go through the reforming part. This is can be replacement of the C or U channel. Yes, and the machine speed may be 50 meters per minute. It's a very high speed machine, and we also can customize the more higher speed, 80 meters per minute for the whole machine. When the product come out, the automatic palletizing will palletizing, and then it will go through the automatic packing. You can see here already packing. Yes, this is the whole production line for your reference. Very high efficiency. If you are interested, welcome to contact me.